guys, today we're going to be going over how to clone yourself 3 times in a video. Let's start with the filming.
You guys, I'm actually really nervous to film. It's like a muscle, you know? If you haven't filmed in a long time, you gotta like warm up again, get into it. I gotta like channel my inner fashionista to like pose and pose. Pose. That's not a pose, don't follow that, but you know what I mean. I'm here to educate you guys, trying to teach you how to be your fashionista self. With my fashionista self. Oh god. Okay, here we go.
For the 3 clones, I decided to have 3 versions of my outfit. Set up the tripod and your phone so that it doesn't move while you're filming. Next, record yourself in the first outfit, walk around and do whatever action you want for the first clone. Then repeat the same thing for your 2 other clones, mixing in some different movements, poses, and variations.
Okay guys, we are now going to be moving on to what seems like the most complicated part, but is actually probably the easiest part, which is editing. Whip out your phone and open the Capcut app. Start a new project and then import the first outfit video that you just took. So my first outfit is this white top outfit that I'm currently wearing, and you're going to think of this video as your base video, and what that means is that this is going to be essentially the background that you use. Trim the video to where you're happy, and let's say for me it's where I walk out of the screen here. Split, delete, and now this is my full base video. Next, you're gonna come to the toolbar over here and press overlay. Add overlay and now add your second outfit video. Start trimming it again, and let's say over here is where I decide that I want my second video to come in. I'm just gonna expand the clip, and now this is my second outfit over here, and what I want to do is actually just remove the background so I can isolate me as a cutout. Tap on the overlay and come to the toolbar again and find cutout. And then you're just gonna go remove background and then let it do its thing. And now you can see there's 2 of me. That actually worked out way better than I thought it would. And so this is really the basis of how to clone yourself. If you are cloning yourself twice, you can actually use masking instead, which is more controlled in editing. And so you can check out this video over here because I go way more in depth about that. But if you want to do more than 2 and stack all the different clones of yourself, you can try out this method too. A tip over here is to make sure that your base clip is long enough so that all your different clones can stack on top in the timeline, okay? Because if your original base clip is too short, then all the rest of the clips, all the rest of your video will be confined to that first base clip's duration. So just make sure that if you chose your first outfit as your base clip, make sure to just film as long as you want the whole video to be. Now you do the same thing again with the 3rd clip, so come to overlay and then add the 3rd outfit. Trim again and adjust where you want the 3rd clip to come in your timeline, and lastly do the cutout again. Now you should see 3 clones of you. It is really that easy. If you are finding that perhaps there are some parts of you missing, you can actually come to cutout over here and just go to customize cutout instead to just fill in the parts that went missing in the auto cutout. And now you can see my arms have been refilled in, so now there is officially 3 full versions of me. So your final video should look something like this. Obviously, you can add your own twists and flavor to this to make your videos even cooler. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do end up using this. I would love to see your final edits. I will also be posting my final results, so you can check it out on the link down below when I eventually post it, and follow me on Instagram for more creative edits. Give this video a like if it's been helpful to you, and go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time. Bye!